Say hey guys! Welcome back to our channel. We are making a homemade pizza. Well, it's one of these things.
You want to try it?
Mia loves pizza. And I saw this and I thought, oh, it's quick, it's easy, so let's go ahead and do this. Let me get some.
One more, last one.
So the oven's already preheated. This is the extra flour. She's the only one that's gonna be eating it, so I'm not gonna, so we're just gonna stick our hands in here, baby girl.
Yeah, what's the hand?
Go ahead. We gotta make a pizza ball, a dough ball. Oh, wow. No, don't. Yeah, you don't want to eat just flour, baby. That's kind of gross. Wow. Okay, now we need to take our ball of dough.
Wow.
I don't exactly know what I'm doing, so spread dough. Okay. So now we gotta take our dough and put it in here, and we gotta spread it out.
Look at that.
Spread it out. So you want it to be nice and even pizza for you. Should we make a small one since it's just for you?
Yeah.
Okay. It's very sticky.
Oh, basically.
Very sticky.
Oh.
Oh, whoa. Okay. Bring your chair over here so we can wash our hands off. Yeah. Put them together really good. It's gonna be so good. Yeah, it will. Okay, let's dry our hands. No. Don't do that. Okay, take your chair back over there. No. You just washed your hands.
Making food.
Yeah?
I'll help you. I'll help you with me. I will help you.
Hold on. I'll let you do the toppings and stuff for a minute.
Wait, this one. It has one more accent. This is the
It
pasta.
says it only takes 12 minutes to bake. Okay. It says we need to let it sit for 5 minutes, so let me start the timer.
That's one for all this.
Okay, I got a timer set for 5 minutes. So we gotta wait 5 minutes. And then we can put the sauce and the toppings. You're gonna have pepperoni and cheese.
Yeah.
Yeah? Don't drop that on your toe, it'll hurt. Here, let me go ahead and open that so we can get it ready.
Or not. I want to try you. Oh. I want to try.
No, you'll cut your fingers. It's very sharp.
Now we just put on this.
Hold on, we gotta wait. We gotta wait 5 minutes. When the timer goes off, then we can put it on.
It's 5 minutes.
5 minutes.
5 minutes. It's off now.
No, that's not the timer. That was the oven preheating.
Okay.
So we have to wait for it to beep one more time, and then we can do it.
It's little monster right there.
Careful. Don't stick your face in it, you crazy chicken. At least she's the only one that's gonna eat it.
Okay, eat. No, I want to.
No, don't touch. Sauce smells really good.
Yeah, I want to throw them.
You wanna smell it? Mmm, pizza sauce.
Yes, pizza.
You could eat pizza every day, huh?
Yeah.
You love pizza.
That was pizza.
Daddy loves pizza?
Yeah.
I think you love pizza more.
Yeah. There's one more set. There's one more for pizza on there.
Daddy's not gonna eat pizza. Daddy's gonna be late today, so he probably will eat at work.
Oh, yeah, Bob.
Yeah. Tonight is a fend for yourself night, which means we take care of ourselves when it comes to dinner.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Daddy wants to just really to take care of his plate.
Right?
Yeah.
Yeah. There's 2 minutes left on the timer.
Where are you? Here I am. Hey, go practice. It's hot right there.
Hmm.
It's hot.
Not yet. It will be once we put it in the oven and let it cook. It's gonna be a very thick pizza. Mommy didn't do a good job of pressing it down, huh? But you don't care, you'll still eat it. Because you love your pizza. I find it hard to believe that it says it only
I
takes
want to
12
throw
minutes.
this one. I want to throw this. I want to throw it really good.
Okay, that's weird. First it says bake for 12 minutes.
Really good.
And then it says again, bake for 14 minutes. So that's kind of confusing.
I want to eat it.
Not yet. You gotta cook it first.
I want to cook it in the oven.
Almost. The timer's about to go off, and then we can put our toppings on.
What kind of toppings
Yeah.
on? Yeah. You want this is for pizza, not cupcakes for this. Roll around and
Be careful, don't drop it. No, you're gonna get your hair in it. No.
mine.
Don't put your face in it.
I want to throw this.
It's not time yet when the timer goes off.
I want to throw this and your timer to go off.
Okay. Now we can put our toppings on. I accidentally shut the oven off when I shut the timer off. Okay, so hold on to this. We gotta pour our sauce on very gently, very gently. Pour the sauce, pour the sauce. Okay, hold on. Let's get a spoon
Yeah.
so we can spread it out.
Mom, I want to try.
Yeah, no, we're not stirring, baby. We're just gonna gently spread it out. Just like that.
Oh, it's this
This looks
one.
gross. Ooh. Should we do a little bit more sauce?
Yeah. Spins out.
Okay. Now you can put your cheese. So put your cheese on the pizza. And sprinkle it real good. Sprinkle it all around. Whoa! You like a lot of, you're gonna start eating the cheese. You like cheese, huh? You crazy chicken. Okay, now let's do the pepperoni. You don't want a lot of pepperoni, right?
It's so yucky.
You don't want pepperoni? How about we just do one? We'll put, oh, we can do a smiley face. Okay, so we'll put one there. Stop eating the cheese, you crazy. Here's some cheese. She loves cheese, if you can't tell. And then we'll put one here. And then there's the nose. Okay, and now we gotta make this little smile.
Look, you smile, silly.
Look at that! It's a smiley face. There's our little pizza. Okay, now what do we do?
No, we do, Mom.
Do we put it in the oven?
No.
Yeah, we gotta let it cook. Here.
Thank you.
Okay, so now we put it in here. And let it cook nice and good. Ooh, you gonna eat the whole bag of cheese? My little mouse.
I want to eat a mouse. I want to eat a little mouse.
You are a mouse. You love cheese, huh?
What's a green red for what?
Huh?
Green red for what?
What?
Green red for what?
Oh, yeah.
What's that over here?
That's my spray stuff.
That's my razor? Ah!
You're silly. You're a silly chicken. Okay, we will come back when it's done cooking and show you guys what it looks like. Say we'll be back, guys.